This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Beautiful pool / SPA home west / 3BRS plus den, safe room, and amp, 3.5 baths is 2,837 square feet of open, light, bright and inviting floor plan. The pool area is surrounded by tastefully designed landscaping which provides plenty of privacy for backyard activities. As you enter the large foyer, this two-story contemporary home with cathedral ceilings give this home a grand feeling. You will notice the living and dining rooms as you enter the large foyer with tile and carpeting throughout. Double-sided fireplace enhances the atmosphere in both the living room and amp. First floor master suite.Two upstairs bedrooms connect to a large shared bath.A spacious kitchen west/wood cabinetry, stainless appliances, granite counters opens up to the breakfast nook and amp. Family room. The large den is the perfect bonus for the person that works from their home office. There is a large lanai for entertaining by the pool which has electric hurricane shutters. The owners have made recent updates included freshly painted exterior and air conditioner condenser and coils replaced 1 year. Roof 10 years old.LOW does no CDD fee.Enjoy a great Florida lifestyle.Located near shopping, hospitals, restaurants, and amp, minutes to the beautiful beaches of Sanibel and Fort Myers. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.